You're already running late, you hop in the car, turn the key, and click. Nothing. It's that sinking feeling of knowing you're stuck waiting for a tow truck or hoping a kind stranger with jumper cables passes by. But with the NOCO Boost GB40, you're never actually stuck. It's basically a pocket-sized powerhouse that takes the scary out of a dead battery. What makes the GB40 a total lifesaver is how foolproof it is. If you've always been nervous about sparks or hooking up cables the wrong way, you can breathe easy. It features UltraSafe technology, which means it's completely spark-proof and has reverse polarity protection. Even if you hook it up to the wrong terminals, nothing bad happens. With 1000 amps of starting power, it can jump engines up to 6.0 L gas or 3.0 L diesel in seconds, up to 20 times on a single charge. But it's not just for emergencies. Since it's a portable lithium power bank, you can use it to charge your phone or tablet when you're camping or during a power outage. It even has a built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight with an SOS mode, just in case you're dealing with that dead battery in the middle of a dark night. It's small enough to fit in your glove box, giving you and your family the kind of peace of mind that you just can't put a price on. Click the link below for the best price and make sure you're never stranded again.